All about the birds, guys. Birds. The birds have this show every day this time. But it's just like me take up my camera the wrong time. Oh my god. Come on. Come. Fly. Yeah. It's all about the birds, guys. The birds. Oh my god. This is amazing. Amazing. This is awesome. Let me tell you about the birds. They're looking some food. Oh my god. Jesus. Look at this, guys. This is awesome. Wow, somebody throw something on the ground. And this is, trust me, guys. I was just saying I don't get the chance to film them. Just the right time. Wow. Amazing. This is amazing. The pigeons are amazing. Pigeon seems to be outnumbering the people in New York City. They have so many birds. Oh my god, and up they go now. This is awesome. Awesome. Yeah, fly. Up. Wow! Jesus! Oh my god! This is amazing! Oh my god! Wow! This is a treat. A treat from the birds today, guys. Wow, this is a must watch. It's a wow. How many times do I say wow? Amazing. Thank you, birdies. Whoa! Oh my god! This is amazing. Ow! I mean, they flying over my head. I don't want them in my face. Amazing, guys. Amazing. I'm gonna go down there again. They're still looking food. Somebody needs to feed them. What are they eating? Oh, they're really eating some feed, you know. Some tiny ones too. Jesus. Wow. Another wow. Amazing. Yeah. Pity the sun is not so bright. Oh. This is awesome. Amazing. Okay.
Honestly.
This is a treat for me today, guys. Enjoy.